back again with another video. Well, I actually uploaded a video a couple days ago, but the last time since I've had my car, it's like a month ago. Finally got my car back, and I gotta give y'all a POV right now, so let me just show y'all. Ain't nothing changed about it, but I'm just trying to show y'all what's up. Bro, I'm so excited. They just emailed me, so your car is here. I came here ASAP, but finally back with this thing, and I'm gonna give y'all a nice little POV. This is my first drive back. I just started it up, just letting it sit down a little bit and warm up. But yeah, I'm super excited. I can't even wait. I just want to get in and drive. But I hope y'all enjoy this. Yes, sir. I hope the camera angle is all good still. I ain't even checked this thing, bro. I'm just trying to go drive right now. I've been watching hella car videos. Oh, my boy was calling me. Let me show him right now. He ain't even know my car's back. Yeah. Yeah, here.
Yeah.
Yeah, listen. Yeah. We're so chat, dog. We're so chat. Man, I can drive this right now. I just let that boy hear it. There's a car meet tonight too. I'm definitely gonna be going. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make a video, but I'll try to. I'll see what's up though. This thing ain't even warm yet. I should probably let it warm up in comfort, because damn, I feel like I can't even drive. I haven't been around the steering wheel in a month. That's crazy. Damn, bro, I forgot how to drive. I miss this thing, yo. How the hell do I get out of here, bro? Listen to that turbo. Enough of me talking right now. I'ma just let this thing warm up, because look at that, bro. We breaking necks again. You probably can take some Sport Plus. Damn, boys, we back. Yo, I got the biggest smile on my face. It's because y'all can't even see it. That's why I'm not even talking, bro. I'm just smiling away. Hey, that shit sounds good, bro. Hey, that shit sounds so good. Ow. I don't even know how crazy the cops are over here. So I just moved, actually. If y'all didn't watch my last video, I just moved, so that's why I didn't have my car for like a month. I was getting it shipped, and I just picked it up today. So yeah, this is a whole new city to me. This is my first time driving in the city and all that, so we about to see what's up, see the car scene down here and all that too. I'm only 5 minutes from where I'm going, but as y'all can see, I got hella tires in here. This is my winter tires. But yeah, my car is just packed up. That's why I can't be going too crazy, and I need to get gas because my thing's only on 28 kilometers, and I'm not trying to push my car when it's too low on gas. But I'm gonna give y'all a couple more pulls though. Damn, I haven't done a launch in so long, I swear. Hey boys, I'm back, y'all. I'm back. Damn, this shit's fun as hell. Shit. Yo, I'm so glad I got my car, bro. I've been living here for a month. I know I said that like a whole lot of times, but I'm gonna keep saying it because that shit was almost impossible without my car, bro. There's just a quick little look. I'm at the car show. I didn't even record too much. It's mostly like American muscle cars, old school, but I managed to get my car in here. Yeah, that's why we're looking like, damn, this shit pretty as hell. But yeah, I didn't even wash it. I did nothing. I legit just picked it up. Picked up my boys. Me and my boys here right now, and Yeah, I just brought it here. They told me to pop my hood. I ain't got nothing special under there other than my front mount. Look how dirty this thing is, bro. I'm so mad I didn't clean it before, but I didn't even have time to do it. But yeah, that's what it's looking like. Damn, I miss this car so much, bro. I forgot how good this thing looked. Like, for real, you don't appreciate your car. Like, I feel like people don't appreciate their own car enough. Just because you see it so much, you know what I mean? Like, of course it's a nice car, but the fact I didn't have it for so long, now that it's back, I'm like, damn. Could definitely use a wash. And camera doesn't look that bad, but I promise y'all, this thing is filthy. Yeah, I just moved my car up here on the hill a little bit. That shit looks way lower. That's why I like parking on hills and in the grass. Shit just makes your car look extra low. Look like I'm on back to it, so. I think a girl drives that Mustang. It's clean as hell. But yeah, nice little 340. I'm saying it looks like back. It's not even close, but it is sitting pretty nice. But yeah, let me get this POV running for some proper pulls right now. That turbo goes crazy. I miss this thing so much, y'all. All day I've been saying that. I've been singing on the same thing all day long. I miss this car. I miss this car. Look at the stars too. It's nighttime, so I can see it a little bit better right now. Get a little anti-lag roll. Hey, it's probably windy as hell though. Let me put the window up real quick, cause I don't even know these streets, gang. I don't know where I'm going. I'm following my maps, but some more little mods for the car coming soon. I'm not even sure what else I'm doing, but I'm always gonna find something to do to this thing. how could you get tired of this thing, bro? Shit. I can only imagine if I had like a big single turbo, like some top mount or something. I'm thinking about it. I might. I don't know yet, but I'm gonna see. But shit, I hope y'all boys enjoy this video. I'm pretty much home, so I'll catch y'all again in the next one. I'm gonna try to make a video very, very soon. I just need to wash my car and all of that. But thank y'all for watching. Hopefully y'all boys enjoyed it. And yeah, I'll catch y'all soon.